Kala Kumasi Kumawood actress.
Kala Kumasi. Na Adana Wusu, then in this way. Then I cost.
Maybe have my dear Tiani say. The raw who are missing in any say. So we call location or the reset so. Our musicians in a Kumawood actress in our you shooting. Now I'm a will be friendly, say, I dear no coffee. Let me see, I dinner. The Paconas more can say. Obi do one by FM station, say. One bug a beer con. I'm a bug and a DNA test. Now, I see a climbing a bug and and I'm saying, Mia, maybe told me who at the age of 13 years. I will be, I will name me be a minimum maker. Make the motion. You want a flap with you for framing, just a gun. And the whole world will be any some nipa. You're from a Kalokumasi, Kumawood actress. You're from a Kalokumasi. It may be some matches your station do Kumasia. You're from her or your antenna. Some are in the hostess program. One more and nature Mr. Kalokumasi Chronicler. Almost friend on fat. It's a Ghana Hanu Kumasia. You don't know him say. Maybe the Kumawood actress from a Kalokumasi. You don't want the woman. I'll be say, I am here. Miss was a woman in Moshe. Say, yes, Gaby, and I quite sad, no dignity at all. So, and no more woman must say, Minam neighbor black, Miss Minim, but me is a woman from a picture. Or be a from a picture, and will be a target bogano, and then a banner, and no more dear two friends say, YouTube. Not in my butcher and think of first and the other they send them. Miss Minim must have okay, it's never bogger be uncle. Okay. I just saw the old two baby cry. It's a baby no friend. It's or your past station. Go Santina. Who your program no host to which you say? And your Kumawood actress Kala Kumasi. Sabio nim. The whole world, Miniabema. The whole world. Obien himself Kumawood actress Kala Kumasi. Maybe Jamufua. Okay. Me a bacope. It's Basano. My daughter for any woman in me. We are no friend. This will make him Kala Kumasi cry. Wakwaya Sabon, Yapana Sabona. And now on Facebook, any YouTuber, a man baby see from Kalakumasi. We also the Kalakumasi, we also the Kalakumasi. To make for friend me, I see a young 18 matches, sir, when I am Miss Ramadofo for Sasama Tina, Aya Kumasi, or your pa FM. Well, now so Kalakumasi, and young men moving actress. And young men Kalakumasi, Kumawood actress. Okay. Meme Damufua, me Yabacope. Okay. Sound from a fake. Okay. And what you have to tell me here from Kalakumasi. Okay. It is a in a sea war in a part of and young make Kalakumasi. Okay. And young minimum shade. Okay. Minimum shade, Miniabema. Okay. To Miss Ramadofo for so bit some we are. One can say, Kalana, say, I should yamia minimum shade. Okay. Until now, no one host to program me. Okay. I was so Ghana. What station or what? Or your pie FM, I don't know where your program. No, now you ran call. Okay. What's the more location? See, you're rapport, you know, and not yes or no, the rank for see friend in Mako. Me call my guy back with Jimmy number. We drew a 19 and yes, you will coffee. Okay. The guy back office for Jimmy number say, oh, my child. I dear Chino say, I started our program now. On but from up to now, or your pie from for my until woman can. To me, cry them forget this and win. No more one about you for where they are sending me. Say so much of a picture. And no more they are tagging me, Papano, and Yakola Corona, Nipacora. Yes, walk on. Miss Minimum. Okay. You told me woman call I bloom. Me move him. Okay. And I'm the two. Maybe my memory. I needed me in my say, I believe. This one 25 years. Okay. Get one also the max or say, I believe. 6 months and a dormant. Okay. Me move him. It's been a bema Sunday and Tiamara, which is wow. Now, Omodi, me picture no me target papa no. Obi dia ko to YouTube no yesterday na nipa kro no won hye. Wo keka ko dia to. Sa Kalakumasi ko no yes ade no. Onko no nkopa ni picture. No fatade. No ye na adwen se me obedi odi me picture bedi di wo me no ho dia. Me Kalakumasi me boni dia ko no. Me boni dia akuno. Ade no so go manu asesa. Asema minimum she. Mini abema on sama so be wura ho. Sa sikanti. Sika kakra wo bedi enti. Wakofa me picture. E di atage abla me minimum she.
That's it. Inti me de beto am omo. Me de beto na say what chirichiri won ti.
What be ya be me inti me sama do for me friends nyina. Enyam me.
Okay.
Enyam me kala kuma se ba ko pe. Me damufo the whole Ghana. The whole world. Kuma would actress kala kuma se me na me kasa me ya ba ko pe. Am damufo. Say enyam na nsem we me da. Me ba mo ni me wu me no. Why you for a big man. Who ni fia obeba wo ni. So who be ma me or farm me nkwala blum on the breaking me veggie be sin na ma mu bi. Na di enti na obi si afra ne kala kuma se. Woni boga bi akon. Na makwa edi ne test. Na won hu ne papa. Woni me picture e ko tag bi akoto YouTube. Ne je so obe so oguma ni ase. Ni pa kro hwe yi. Won hwe yi pa na me bi fla bosum fie. So wa hwe yi a wo de ne nkwa betwa so. So person oguma ni ase. Ono so de ne nkwa betwa so. Enti me twa me fancy na. Me da mu nyina amase. Enya me kala kuma se. Me da mase.
No fita. Asa usibai. Dinya protein and esa de bobia. Ya de de bobia still here.
We dey mo be fie pa.
We are born grand am fiase. Mo am de am professional that now. And that our gods they drink schnapps. The gods they drink schnapps.
Ajo nyambo tre, papa penny na oni nkwale didi na.
Sa kwa mu ade atian. Guru ati. Me babet yan.
Obibi ni bo afo.
Live on the set.
Live on the set. Yeah. And you have to be there.
Inspiration was from your dad.
Was it?
The live on the set inspiration is one of them.
Oh yeah. On the set, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, baby.
Yo, what going?
What's up?
I do, man. We did.
You are live in Kumerica.
Live in America. The atmosphere be different.
Okay.
Different.
Okay.
I like it, man.
Okay. What is your experience so far on set?
Charlie, it's crazy, Charlie. I mean, I don't usually get to come on set to do acting or anything like that, but this one, it'll be vibe. It'll be different vibe. So it's up to Lil Wayne and the whole crew, for putting it in. It'll be a whole different vibe.
Okay. Right now, I talk to Reggie where they ask him, so they pay him. We say, oh no, this will be pure love, they can't show Lil Wayne. Lil Wayne no pay you.
No, we don't take anything. They offer, but we don't take them.
Wow.
It's different. They don't talk to them, go pay you. But then say them.
Then give where you say you no go take.
You know, like, because it's a matter of give and take. It's a matter of respect. We see how much they contribute to the community.
Yeah.
You know, he showed me a lot, taught me a lot actually about giving back. You know, he has a whole school. So Charlie, it just be about bigging up the brother and helping him.
Okay. I see say you know they act plenty. Is this your first like movie?
Oh no, I mean I get awards for movies.
Okay.
I get awards for movies.
Okay, so this no be your first time. That means you kill him.
You know, we say acting. I've done some acting.
Okay.
I've done production for movies. For Shirley Pimpon.
Oh yeah.
So
Okay.
I do more. This not be new to me.
How different is this one?
It's in Kumerica.
Okay.
It's a different vibe. You know? Usually for Accra, it's a very controlled environment, but here it's be organic, you know, people walk around, food they go on for some corner, just the vibe. So I'm really enjoying it.
Okay, so finally, what you could tell people maybe expect from your role?
My road, the normal standard level, you know, just to bring a different flex to GHE or Young Women style. But the whole series be another vibe. Okay. So watch out for it, man. Big up to everybody.
And your latest single?
Yeah, go check it out. Still popping. Boy, okay.
Okay.